Welcome to the course Getting Started with Windows 10 IoT Core Development, a course about all needed basics to get you started with Windows 10 IoT Core software development. My name is Florian Müller and I am your instructor in this course. I made my PhD in computer science and work as a professional software developer and software architect for several years now. Giving lectures, teaching and helping students is something I enjoy very much. At the end of this course, you will not only be able to set up a target device with a vanilla Windows 10 IoT system, but also to implement your own basic Windows 10 IoT applications, including background apps without user interface and foreground apps with UI and web access. Furthermore, at the end of the course, you will be able to use further tools like FTP and SSH that support you during the development. The course is organized in a clear step-by-step structure. It starts from the very beginning with installing the development tools, followed by setting up a Windows 10 IoT target device. You will then learn about the basics of programming background and of foreground applications. This course uses C++ as programming language. We finished the course with a section about helpful development tools. The lectures are designed such that the student can follow and reproduce the content in real time at the PC. At the beginning of each lecture, a clear problem statement is given. The main part of each lecture then focuses on the solution of the stated problem. Each lecture finishes with a summary and an outlook. To be able to completely follow the lectures, it would be beneficial if you would have a Windows 10 PC and a Raspberry Pi at hand. Since Windows 10 IoT Core is for embedded systems, you will naturally also learn how to access attached hardware devices like buttons or LEDs. Therefore, we will set up a basic electronic circuit. You don't need to build that up on your side, but if you want to, you will only need a few jumper wires, an LED, a push button and a breadboard to put everything together. The source code of the programming lectures, by the way, is available at GitHub. Who is the target student, you might ask? I designed this course for the engineer as well as for every maker who wants to get to know the development of embedded software applications with Windows 10 IoT Core in an easy to follow and structured way, and that right from the start. I would be very glad if I would meet you back in the course. If you haven't decided yet, you might also want to take a look at the free previews to explore the course further. I hope to see you soon.